Well, as gardeners, we live for days like today. It is absolutely beautiful out. It's a gorgeous fall afternoon. The temperatures have cooled. The light is really beautiful. And I'm actually spending some time just enjoying the garden. We're going to sit outside this evening. We're having some friends over. And it makes me especially happy that we took the time late last summer to really give certain areas that were looking a little bit less than their best, kind of a refresh and a reboot using some Southern Living plants. A number of areas that just needed some primping. So let's go back in time. Let's look at those areas and see what we did to improve them. Hey guys, Linda Vater here in my late summer garden. It's probably still in the 90s, but I'm already thinking of refreshing a number of spots, and this is number one. I had a plant in here that died. It was camouflaging all of this utility mess, and I'm going to replace it with an Oakland holly and a baby gem boxwood at the base. This is the before. Here's the after. This is area number 2 of my garden reboot and refresh after the hot summer. I love it when if something works the first time, I can just repeat it, and I'm going to do that in this corner. So I'm planting another Oakland holly and a baby gem boxwood here. It will really beautifully ground this corner and give it more visual weight. I'm going to love it. So this is the before, and here's the after. Hey guys, episode number 3 of my riveting reboot refresh of the garden. This time I've got a bunch of scraggly ground cover and weeds underneath this mammoth viburnum that I want to replace with some really beautiful shrubs. And this time it's Miss Lemon Abelia to the rescue. So this is the before, and here's the after. Well, we all love a good before and after, and I especially loved that makeover. I hope you did too. All compliments of a little late summer sweat equity and the beautiful plants from the Southern Living Plant Collection.